Good morning, esteemed Chief Guest, Shri Baman Irani, our inspirational Chancellor Kumar Mangalam Birla, Dean Dr. Sarvanan, faculty members, proud family and friends, and most importantly, my fellow survivors. I mean graduates. It is an incredible honor to stand here today as the valedictorian of his remarkable MBA class. Literally, this would not have possible without you guys. On the behalf of all of us, thank you to our professors, mentors, and tireless staff who guided us, challenged us, and believed in us. To our family, thank you for being our support system through endless group projects and minor identity crises. A very special thanks to my parents who stood by me even when I said, I'm leaving my government job to study marketing meme full-time. You deserve a degree too. Honorary Patient Award. Thank you to my brothers in chaos, Chaitanya, Abhinav, and Utsav. Thank you. Without you, I might have slept more, but would definitely have very few laughs. And to my pillars, Bansal Bajaj and our legendary Tamsa. Thank you for everything. This award really dedicates to you. As a cohort, we have achieved amazing things, especially in case competition. But those were not just win on paper. They were battle of passion, persistence, and never give up spirit. We fought the world with tooth and nail because we are the Chamatkari Chhatra. But if you ask me, what truly defines our time here, it was not placement offers or trophies. It was friendship bonds that we create here. I'd like to share something very personal. In our society, success is often celebrated, but failure, it rarely finds any support. It becomes an orphan. People often look at my resume, IIT rank 1, picture perfect academic records, ISRO, and now MBA, and assume it has been a perfect journey. But what they don't see is the mountain of failures. I once missed a key exam cutoff by 0.66 marks, ironically because I attempted a question. Despite of being good in logic, I messed up my DLR section. And yes, even in one of my reports, I barely passed. So I would like to give this message to my fellow leaders. MBA, like life, has highs and lows. Outcomes are not always in our control. What is in our control is the process. And if you can fall in love with the process or at least stick to it, the journey becomes worth it, regardless of where you end up. This award for me is a classic case in point. Those who know, know. Was the effort a waste? Absolutely not. Would I do it all over again? Definitely yes, in a heartbeat. Though I will probably invest in few more coffee stock first. Amazon taught us this in product management. Focus on inputs, not on outputs. But long before Bezos, Lord Krishna have exactly said the same thing. Karmanyavadi karaste, ma phaleshu kadachanak. Focus on your work and not fruits of it. And then, of course, our favorite, Ranchor Das, Shamal Das Chanchar, whose idea, ironically, were often dismissed by certain authorities. Let's not point finger, guys, everyone knows. He reminded us, success ke piche mat bhago, excellence ka picha karo. Success tumhare piche chak maar ke aayegi. So to my fellow leaders, spreadsheet warriors and dreamers, here is a message. Chase excellence, not result. Fall in love with the process, or at least stick to it. Fail fast, learn faster, and laugh through it all. Because even if things don't go according to the plan, they might still turn into a great story. So, to the class of 2025, thank you for lessons, the madness, the caffeine-fueled nights, and the unforgettable memories. Congratulations. Let's keep moving forward, one well-crafted input at a time. Thank you.